Hey there, fellow explorers. Get ready to meet some tiny but mighty beings who live life in the fast lane. First up, let's talk about the mayflies. These delicate insects might have a short life, but they make the most of it. They spend most of their life as nymphs underwater, sometimes for years. But once they emerge as adults, it's all about seizing the moment. Can you believe they only live for about a day or two? Talk about living fast and furiously. Next up on our list are the worker bees. Now these buzzing buddies might not live long individually, only up to 5 to 7 weeks during the summer months, but they work tirelessly to support their hive. From gathering nectar to tending to the queen and her offspring, these busy bees truly embody the spirit of teamwork. Now let's shrink down even smaller to meet the midges. These tiny flies might not be on your radar, but they play a vital role in our ecosystem worldwide. Despite their minuscule size, midges can be found in staggering number, especially near the bodies of water. They only live for a few days as adults, but during the time they are essential pollinators and a tasty snack for larger creatures like birds and fishes. The mayfly, also known as the June bugs. These critters are a common sight during the warmer months. They spend most of their life underground as larvae, munching on plant roots, but once they emerge as adults, they'll all be about finding love. Despite their short life or as an adult of about a month, they sure know how to make an entrance with their clumsy flight pattern. Up next, we have the mighty dragonfly. These aerial acrobats might seem like they have all the time in the world with their graceful flights, but don't be fooled. Most dragonfly only live for about a month as adults, but they spend their brief time hunting mosquitoes and other pesky insects with incredible precision. Now let's turn our attention to the fruit fly. These tiny insects might be a nuisance in your kitchen, but they are also a star of the scientific research. With a lifespan of just few weeks, fruit flies are expert at breeding, often laying hundreds of eggs in decaying fruit. Fun fact, their rapid reproductive cycle have made them invaluable for studying genetics and development. The infamous housefly. These winged intruders might not be welcome guests in our houses, but they sure know how to make most of their short lives. With a lifespan of about 15 to 30 days, houseflies spend their time buzzing around, feasting on all sort of unsavory things. But hey, someone's got to clean up the mess, right? Now let's take a closer look at the drone ant. Unlike their queen and worker counterparts, male drone ant only have one primary purpose: to mate with the new queen. Their lives are short and sweet, typically lasting only for few weeks. Once they have fulfilled their duty, they bid farewell to the world, leaving the queen to continue the colony's legacy. The mosquito, everyone's favorite summertime pest. These blood-sucking insects might be a nuisance to us, but they are a crucial player in many ecosystems. With a lifespan of just few weeks, mosquitoes spend their brief adulthood seeking out blood meals to fuel their reproductive cycles. Fun fact, only the female mosquitoes bite, while male prefer to feed on nectar. Last but not the least, let's meet the Gastrotrichs. These microscopic aquatic creatures might not be on your radar, but they are worth celebrating. With a lifespan of just a few days to few weeks, Gastrotrichs spend their time swimming through freshwater habitat, grazing on bacteria and algae. Despite their fleeting existence, they play a vital role in the nutrient cycling and healthy ecosystem. And there you have it, folks. The shortest lived creatures on earth might have brief lifespan, but they sure know how to make every moment count. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the world of the natural wonder.